Do you hate your job? Do you wish you could tell your boss to f off? If you're counting down your days to retirement like the second coming of Christ, well then it's time for a career change. My name's Eric Beer, and I barely graduated high school. Yet I created a career where I don't have to show up to a job, deal with a boss I hate, or shake my butt on TikTok. So click below to join my free training, and I'll show you how I started my own lead gen arbitrage business. So what's that, you ask? In lead gen arbitrage, all you need to do is deliver leads to a buyer without any of your own traffic, and you can make a crap load of money. You can do this without a customer ever taking out their credit card and buying anything. You don't need a sales team. You don't need your own website or funnel. You don't need your own product or service. It'll cost you nothing to get started, and you can work from home on your laptop, and you don't even gotta wear pants. So click below to join my free training, and I'll show you how lead gen allows me to travel, work anywhere in the world, and spend time with my family and friends. Just like my late grandma used to say, "There are silly billies in this world that are successful. If they can do it, you can too." Thanks, Grandma. So if you're ready to leave your boring, soul-sucking job and start your career in online marketing, click below and let's get started.